So what's been going on today?
Today I've been working with the musicians of Sinfonia Cymru and children from primary schools across Breconshire, and we've been doing Carnival the Animals concerts for hundreds of children.
And they're well-known pieces, aren't they?
They're really well-known pieces, they're perfect for children, and we've had full houses, and we've been singing, we've been clapping, we've been listening, we've been dancing. It's been great. It's been really
So
great.
what is that song then with the xylophone or the vibraphone?
It was a marimba even.
Marimba.
Fossils. So each Carnival of the Animals is made up of lots of different musical portraits, and one of them is fossils. And Sam, who was presenting today's concert, had created lyrics to go along with the fossils music. So all the children joined in with that music and sang a song.
So how did they know the lyrics?
We sent them out. So we
Right.
did a teacher's pack, and we sent out an introduction to the music, and we sent out recordings of the songs.
Right.
That Sam
I was shocked when they
created.
started singing.
Yeah.
I thought it was, why don't I know
How
this
do they
really well?
know?
But so he'd written it.
Yeah.
Was
So
there any
everything.
mention of trilobites?
Of what?
Trilobites?
Trilobites? No.
Trilobites? Ammonites? Belemnites?
We were talking about dinosaurs.
Oh, dinosaurs. Oh, right, that's probably more geology than music. But,
Yes.
So looking forward to the next one?
Yeah, really looking forward to the
Is
next
this on
one.
tour now?
Yes. So we started here, done 2 concerts here today, and then tomorrow we're off to Wyeside, and then the next day we're up to Havren in Newtown.
Fabulous. What influence do you think music has on children and their development in their life?
Oh, I think it's crucial. I think they love it, and it enables them to express emotions. It enables them to think about things, and also there's just an amazing repertoire out there that lots of children aren't having any access to at the moment. So the reason that we do these concerts and these projects is both to enable the children to hear some of the great music that's been written, but also to have a go at writing their own music, creating their own songs, and getting creative with us.
And how important is it to have theatres like this?
Without the theatres, we couldn't do it. We've been working with Theatr Brycheiniog since 2010, doing a project each year, and the relationship has grown every year, and we couldn't do it without you.
Thank you very much. That was a weighted question at the end.